Hi, Microsoft Copilot is a chatbot based on ChatGPT and integrated with many Microsoft services and applications. You can use it within Power BI Desktop as an aid when creating quick measures.
Before you start working with quick measures aided by Copilot, you should first enable this feature within Power BI Desktop. To do so, go to File, Options and Settings, Options, Preview Features, and check the option which is called Quick Measure Suggestions. The same options should be enabled on your Power BI tenant in the admin settings. There you should enable an option called Allow user data to leave their geography. After restarting Power BI Desktop, you're ready to go. We will start with a simple example where I imported and connected two tables, items and transactions. Next, I will go to the model view, choose Transactions table, and then start creating some quick measures. Let me click on the Quick Measure button. The new panel will open on the right side of the window. As you can see, by clicking on Calculation, Power BI offers some predetermined calculations by which it can create measures. On the other hand, if you click on Suggestions with Copilot, a text box will appear. Here you can enter your request by using a natural query language, which is a combination of English and names of reporting dimensions. Let me write Calculate Sales Revenue. And then click on the Generate button. As you can see, Copilot proposed a DAX expression that is not very meaningful. That's because I believe this is not a real Microsoft Copilot, but just a free aid added to quick measures. Sales revenue is the sum of sales amount. Let me first create a column that will calculate a sales amount. If you repeat the process, Copilot will generate the right DAX expression. Now just click on Add, then give a proper name to the measure. Let us call it SA. Now we can use this measure to create a simple chart. Let us create a clustered column visual that shows sales revenue by manufacturers. I will remove all filter from the formula to show all manufacturers. Let's go back to quick measures and create another one. I will enter the text calculate sales amount where manufacturer is Nestle. After clicking on Generate, it will generate a DAX expression. And now we should only click on Add and create a new measure. We'll give it the name SA Nestle. Let us create another one. Type the following: calculate share of sales amount where manufacturer is Nestle compared to total sales amount. Click on Generate. And now we will get some percentage. As you can see, Copilot can generate even complex DAX formulas, but that is still basic in comparison to full possibilities of Microsoft Copilot service, where it can reason what is sales revenue and also what is COGS, gross margin, percentage, etc. I meant to say Microsoft Copilot is much more smarter than this, but this small aid in creating quick measures could be very useful for DAX beginners. That was all for now. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.